Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to save time with Flash Fill and Autofill in Excel. This video has two clips, one man-made, the other created by AI. In the first clip I will demonstrate Flash Fill, Autofill, and using the Control-E shortcut keys. In the second, AI will demonstrate using a text-to-video AI application. Let's go to Excel and get started. Here I have a table with columns for last name, first name, email, last name, comma, first name, and hire date. First, I will demonstrate Flash Fill. Starting in cell B2, I will type the last name Parker. Next, I will hover over the bottom right-hand corner until my cursor becomes a plus sign and drag it all the way to the bottom. Then I select the Autofill Options button and choose Flash Fill. Not only does Excel fill in the last name entries, but it corrects each one to proper case just like the entry I typed. But there is an easier way. In cell C2, I will type the first name Ray. In cell C3, I'll type the first name Rick. Excel recognizes the pattern and shows me a preview. All I need to do is select Enter to accept the preview. For more complicated text, there's an even easier way. In cell D2, I will type the first initial R, followed by a dot, then the last name Parker, and the domain @rcorp.com. In cell D3, I'll hit the Control key and press E. Excel fills my cells with the correct email addresses. In case you're wondering, Flash Fill can even handle the reverse. In cell E2, I'll type the last name Parker, comma, first name Ray, go to cell E3, hit Control plus E, and Flash Fill does the rest. Finally, I will show you Autofill. Luckily for me, all of my names were hired today. I will click in cell F2 and press Control plus semicolon, which is the shortcut key for entering today's date. I will hover over the bottom right-hand corner until my cursor becomes a plus sign and double-click. Excel autofills the cells with consecutive dates. I'll press the Control plus N key to move to the bottom of the column. I'll click on the Autofill Options box and select the Copy option. Autofill changes all my dates to match my original entry. Flash Fill and Autofill are productivity boosters. They save time and effort. Give these two features a try. If you like this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified when the next video is posted. Now stay tuned for the AI version.
Have you ever wondered how to increase your productivity in Excel 365? Today, we explore 3 powerful features that will turn you into an Excel wizard in no time. We'll delve into Flash Fill, Autofill, and the Control-E shortcut. Imagine a tool that can predict the pattern you're inputting and automatically completes it for you. That's exactly what Flash Fill does. To activate Flash Fill, start by entering the data manually in the first few cells. Then, move to the next cell and start typing the next entry. Excel will automatically suggest the completion based on your previous entries. To accept the suggestion, simply press Enter. Flash Fill can save you countless keystrokes and precious time. Next up, we have Autofill. Autofill is like the intuitive cousin of Flash Fill. It is designed to automatically fill in a series of cells based on the pattern of the first few cells. So, if you have a column of dates or a list of sequential numbers, Autofill is your best friend. To activate Autofill, input the first few entries of your series. Then, click and hold the small square at the bottom right corner of the last cell you filled. Drag it down or across to fill the remaining cells. And voila, Autofill takes over. Finally, let's talk about the Control-E shortcut, a hidden gem in Excel. Control-E is the shortcut for Flash Fill. Instead of manually activating Flash Fill, you can simply press Control and E together after inputting the first few entries. Excel will automatically fill the remaining cells based on the pattern it detects. This shortcut is a game changer, especially when dealing with large data sets. To summarize, we've explored 3 powerful features in Excel 365 that are designed to increase your productivity. Flash Fill anticipates your data entry pattern and completes it for you. Autofill automatically fills a series of cells based on the pattern of the first few cells. And the Control-E shortcut activates Flash Fill, saving you time and effort. These features are not just tools, they're productivity boosters. They take the monotony out of data entry and let you focus on what really matters, analyzing and interpreting your data. With Flash Fill, Autofill, and the Control-E shortcut, you're well on your way to becoming an Excel 365 expert, so why wait? Start exploring these features today and see the difference they make in your Excel experience.
If you are still here, you likely have seen both man and AI versions. Man and AI agree that Flash Fill and Autofill are valuable tools that can save you time and make you more productive. It's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.